If you think packing for a safari is just about khakis and bug spray, think again. Forget one of these 10 things, and your dream trip could turn into a dusty, sunburned disaster. Whether you're heading to the Serengeti, Kruger, or the Okavango Delta, packing smart is key. It's not just about what you bring, but also what you leave behind. In this video, we'll cover the 10 essential items you must pack for a safari, along with tips on weather, culture, and local conditions. Safaris are unique adventures. You're dealing with early morning game drives, intense sun, unpredictable weather, and limited luggage space. Plus, there are cultural considerations and local regulations to keep in mind. Packing the wrong items, or forgetting the right ones, can make your trip uncomfortable or even unsafe. 1. Neutral colored clothing. Bright colors can attract unwanted attention from wildlife, and camouflage is illegal in some countries. Stick to earth tones like khaki, olive, and beige. These colors help you blend into the environment and keep you cool. 2. Layered clothing. Temperatures can vary greatly throughout the day. Mornings and evenings can be chilly, while afternoons are hot. Pack lightweight layers that you can easily add or remove. 3. Insect repellent. Mosquitoes and other insects can be a nuisance and carry diseases. Use repellents containing DEET or picaridin, and consider clothing treated with insect repellent fabric. 4. Sun protection. The African sun is intense. Bring a wide-brimmed hat, high SPF sunscreen, and UV protective sunglasses. Lip balm with SPF is also essential. 5. Comfortable footwear. You'll be on your feet a lot. Pack sturdy, closed-toe shoes for walks and lighter shoes or sandals for around camp. Make sure your shoes are broken in to avoid blisters. 6. Binoculars and camera. Wildlife sightings can be at a distance. Binoculars enhance your viewing experience, and a good camera helps capture memories. Don't forget extra batteries and memory cards. 7. Soft-sided luggage. Many safari vehicles and small planes have limited space. Use soft duffel bags instead of hard shell suitcases. This makes packing and transportation easier. 8. Personal medications and first aid kit. Access to pharmacies can be limited. Bring all necessary medications, plus a basic first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic, and any other essentials. 9. Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. A reusable water bottle helps reduce plastic waste and ensures you always have water on hand. 10. Travel documents and copies. Keep your passport, visas, and other important documents secure. It's wise to have both physical and digital copies in case of emergencies. Imagine being on a game drive, the sun setting over the savannah, and realizing you forgot your camera or ran out of memory. Or dealing with insect bites because you didn't pack repellent. These oversights can detract from an otherwise incredible experience. A successful safari hinges on thoughtful preparation. By packing these 10 essentials, you're setting yourself up for an unforgettable adventure. Remember to consider the specific conditions of your destination and adjust accordingly. For more travel tips and destination guides, check out our next video.